Sandy, you know, my girl phone this still. A big man thing, a Sandy this. But it's a man, Papa this. You see me? Yeah. The Papa from Windsor, my fuck my girl 40. And Pochi a fuck her too. You see me? Alright. Me not like this cause them thing I see, but straight up. Alright. Don't watch a little girl a sham. See there? My girl a text that man this. So I show her where I go and everything. You see me? And me get her the phone too. So them a text on the phone, me get her. You see me? Alright, watch her now. See them there? Voice note and be a thing. When you did start fuck me, you did love no. And the fuck did still nice. Alright, go on now. See them there? Sandy you know about a Papa. Papa from Windsor, them a batty boy. You see me? See there? My girl a text. You see me, my girl phone this. 7 Cherokee Western Union, 30. Alright. Yeah. That's from April 4, just be way. Them only back conversation. My girl, give her the pussy. Boy, I say you go. Alright, watch her go on. Me come back a Windsor now though. Ha, still up a poo. Oh, me still up. Okay, wait. Alright. 5th, yeah. Dip on the road I go. Do the work. Alright, okay. Yeah, sup. Hey baby, just about to text you. Really? Alright, yeah. Big man thing. See what I go on? Them a girl and a real. And a fat. More than what? I'm more than 10 years and a girl a day. I swear. Alright. Yeah. But here now, she give her the pussy, you know, but me I show you what I go on too. Me never like right now me feel like me can't read and me not see it. But me I make uno see it. But you see me? Me I make uno see it. So if me fuck up and tell me, you know. You see me? Alright. You know? You know? Listen up. Hush get milk. Yeah. But you know me and milk. No her. Alright. It was good and fun, but me paying up bad. That I from when? That I from the 5th. Alright. The 5th that year. But listen, you know. You come in. Hell no. Alright. We just go and scan through. We just watch back the video. Alright, watch her now. Need motivation. You get joke, alright. It's funny, alright. We just a scan through. We just go and read it. We done and read the thing and pre think. Me can't believe that earlier. Augusto. I want to get me so rich there because I can't believe this. If me girl just there go the pussy alone, I would have vexed, but right now, me mash up. Yeah? Alright, watch a part now. Watch it, you know. Make sure you not read everything, you know. Make sure you read it phone away and pause it. Because I can't hear this. Someone have to help me. Alright, if me did know, him would a take so long, would a go round a your yard fee the fuck. Alright. Yeah, one more. Alright, we get like give it the pussy dog, I swear. And you go on home. Can I get it tomorrow? Okay, alright, see there. Listen to that part here now. Watch that part here. And you see you no fuck, love fuck. And you say you love fuck. She not give me no pussy. I swear, why me have to get little pussy. But that's alright. Just watch her go on. Cause a big man thing this, you know. Alright, but some boy when them a take a man girl them for do it neat and nice and not do the thing so. Boy not do something. Not do the thing wrong, brother. You see me? Fuck the man them girl and them pussy, brother. You see me? Mr. Martin, that a Papa, you know. Papa from Windsor that. Listen to this now. Watch and pray this. You see me? Cause them a go and pray me, you know, but them fi know them better stay blood clot for. You see me? Them a go know too. Alright. Watch her now. No cause Friday holiday, alright. I don't know what I go on this. Cause I just want to reach at the next part. I'm show you every fucking thing with them. With my girl, my ex-girl, no my girl. Cause right there, I go style myself, Mr. My girl. My ex-girl. And this a Sunday. I want a Sunday, a sham thing. You see me? A sham. Alright. Me get the kiss, whatever. Ministers become to see everything from scratch. So you see when you reach a part here, when you let a blood clot believe this, because I can't believe so my girl do this, my ex girl do this. Swear. Alright, 13. Alright. You know see. Boy, I fuck my girl, I swear, when never do so man could have fuck my girl. So. Why? Me fuck that man girl about this attack, bro. I just fuck up. Swear. Alright, we go and hold it. Hold on, people. You there see away, man. Me don't want to see this blood clot. Wait, them man. Come, me want to see the big blood clot event where them boys say them a star. Them boy a papa. We have him good up, man. Say them a star. Batty them a fuck. Batty boy them. See, I'm a girl a text ya. Him and my ex girl a text ya. See. Me a go show you everything, man. See my idea there? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Him there, man. Him a get fucked, man. Yeah, man. Everything there. The girl a send him beer things there. See? Yeah, man. He there, man. We not go see what I go on. But me no want to daily and when time I upload the thing take too long. But me not go see everything. Them boy a fuck girl in a body. Fuck girl in a body. 40, Lushian Emmins, get fucking her body. Yeah. Them girl in a real. Fear phone, you see the edge, 7 edge. Everybody knows that she have a edge. She work at Western Union. I swear. I'm a girl in it. And you hurt, yo. Cause I couldn't compute the body part. Because I mean, no fuck girl in the body, so I say you have to go. But better she give her the pussy. Cause I probably have her 2 months after me look over it. But she have fuck with a body, with body boy. And then I put cocky in a pussy, shitty pussy she can come get bad man. You know see it? She can't style the general, bigger than that, big lead. Some boy a pussy, cause them a fuck girl in them body. And say them a done and pose up every day. You know see start be a freak, cause no one poachy she too. All of them a suck with them and poachy and fruity and all of them a fuck. See me? Them forget bam. Grenade for them. See me? Sorry for no mother. Be a body thing on the depot. You don't leave some man. Yeah, me hear if you much in years and the girl give her the pussy. Yeah. We all know that. Come fuck that man girl. Yeah, but you see me? She no long for fuck. Yeah, what? You no long for fuck me. Hold on. You no long for me fuck your mouth. The boy fuck me girl in her mouth. I swear. No sir. Them a girl are shallow. Alright then. You want to find the part where you must say, long for fuck you. You know, the part where you must say weird. But wait there. You want to go back up and show the people. I swear. Wait there. You want to find the part if you show the people. You see there. Today. I find a part if you go to people. See that? Long for fuck your ass. See there? Long for fuck your ass and your wet pussy. Yeah, we fuck pussy. Yeah, we fuck other boy, girl, pussy. Yeah. But this part, they were the ass part. Where's some boy a child? Father God, if you bomb them up, them I got dead. God I got strike them. And I'm here killing the youth. I'm not killing no boy for girl. Pussy at least. You hear that? But big man thing, Papa, when you forget the thing straight out. Hold on a batty boy. Batty, boy, poachy, hold on, Papa suck your pussy, me know that long time, fruity tell me. Hold on, a fuck. You think send a girl and a girl so close? Suck on the mother, I think when I idiot, me know say I'm poachy and fruity, and hold on, a fuck and a suck. Suck on the mother. But only if you do this thing, neat. If Papa suck on the pussy that, yeah, that can't live with. Bums, yeah, threesome, yeah, Papa suck on the pussy and the sucking old. But why Papa fucking on the body, girl? Eh? Why Papa fucking on the body? Big man thing. Nothing lost.